Biff, I got a problem.
Yeah? What?
8 years ago, I bought myself a new microwave. I haven't cleaned it out since.
Oh, good heavens.
Biff, oh, are you alright?
What? Do you think I might die after sniffing that?
I think if it could, it would have already killed you. So, what would you suggest?
Suggest? Get rid of it. Destroy the thing.
Biff, you're still delirious. Wait a second. I know exactly what I'm going to do. Yeah, we'll put an air freshener in there. That should take care of the smell. Throw some salt at it and hope for the best. You know, as long as nothing falls from the roof of this thing, the food should still cook up okay.
What? You're insane. You're gonna continue using this miserable... Oh!
Biff, did you take a good look in there? Everything's rusting out. All the dry burnt food is the only thing that is holding those walls together. If I took a cleaning cloth to it now, the whole thing is gonna crumble.
Then why don't you just buy a new one?
I can't afford it. And besides, why buy new when what you have is working perfectly fine?
Perfect? You call that perfect?
Yeah.
You're gonna poison yourself. I can even imagine what might be festering in there.
That is an exaggeration. Every time I turn it on, everything living, walking, breathing, or squirming around in the walls is going to be instantly killed in the heat. It's germ-free.
Germ-free?
Yeah.
Germ-free, you say?
Well,
Are you nuts? Look at it. How hard-headed can you be, Watt? I mean, you've ignored the health risks, you've ignored the smell, but how are you going to ignore the taste of food that has 8 years? 8 years of steaming, rotten, deleterious gunk burned into it.
it's just like aging a good wine, Biff.
A good wine.
Yes. Anything coming out of here will never be the same. With a rare flavor, not easy to come by. Besides, I just couldn't bear to see it destroyed. Too many good memories rest within these walls. You know, the last meal of Mrs. Watts was burnt in here, rest her soul. I can even make out a shred of the spaghetti squash lying in the corner. Yes, the dreams and ambitions of a life gone by can all be felt at once when I gaze beyond the decaying mists of dinners past, when life was different. Yet it changes at every spin of the turntable, until life itself becomes like a mystical blur of seasons, changing from the green of summer to the flaming beauty of autumn, and at last to the black ashes of shattered dreams and 1,000 TV dinners gone to pot.
Watts, are you sure you're alright?
Yes. Just give me a moment.